Hello everyone, I am Gunjan Shah. Today I am making a introductory video on DBMS, that is Database Management System. Later I will make an entire video series of DBMS. So in that video series I will teach our DBMS concept like operator, where clause, having clause, difference between where clauses and having clause, join, subquery, basic of PLSQL and many more. So why you will watch my video series? I'm telling you the reason. Many people have given many good RDBMS video on YouTube, but subquery and join, which is the main important topic of RDBMS, they didn't explain it well, and they didn't solve many more SQL query. But I have decided that I will solve more than 1000 SQL query in my video series. After watching all of my video series, you can able to solve medium to hard level queries. Before learning this database management system subject, you should know why you are learning this subject and what is the future scope of this subject. I'm telling you, database developer job is one of the most paid job in IT industry. I'm telling you what is the need of the database management system. I'm giving you an example, and by giving the example I will explain you. Let's suppose you are trying to create a Facebook account. Then you have to fill up the registration form. You have to give some information about your email address, gender, age, etc. After submitting the form, the data will be stored permanently into the database. Then if you are trying to log in into Facebook, then you have to give email address and password again. The password what you are giving at the time of logging and the password which is already saved into the database. If it is not matching, then it will say invalid email address and password. Otherwise, you will be able to log in if it's matching. That means without database, we can't make any dynamic application. I am giving you some more theoretical aspect. You have heard the word data before. What is data? The data is a raw fact or information which describe the attribute of an entity. And what is entity? Entity means object. Anything which has its own existence. Anything you can see in front of you. Anything which you can touch, that is object. And what is attribute? Attribute means it is a property of an object. Like pen is an object. Pen has some properties, like pen has height, pen has weight, pen has color. So that is pen's property or attribute. Every property may have some value. The color of pen is black, the height of pen is 10 cm and the weight of pen is 2 gram. Here black 20 cm 2 gram is the data of pen object which will be stored inside the database. That means what is database? Database is a place where you can store data systematic and well organized manner. We can perform CRUD operation, that is create, read, update, delete operation inside the database. What is DBMS? DBMS means database management system. DBMS is a software which is used to maintain and manage the database. Database management system provides two important things or features, that are security and authorization to the database. And to communicate with database, we need a language that is called query language. And there are various type of database present. The most popular database is RDBMS, and I will teach each and every concept and each and every topic of RDBMS in next video. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more update. Thank you.